Welcome everyone to the production base of Unveiling Faucets. Let's embark on a journey through the craftsmanship of our source factory. Today, we explore the robotic arm polishing process. The robotic arm is controlled by precise programming to ensure that every faucet component surface undergoes an even and meticulous polishing, making the surface smoother. At the same time, our robotic arm is equipped with an intelligent detection system that can monitor the quality of components in real time. If any substandard components are detected, the system will automatically trigger a repolishing program. This not only increases production efficiency, but also reduces the time and cost of manual operations. Compared to traditional manual polishing, it can reduce material waste and energy consumption. Want to learn more secrets about faucet manufacturing? Follow us to get the latest updates right away.